tune in with me as I show you what not to do. Thanks, Obama. Hi guys, so I'm getting on a little late today because I took my son to his grandmother's for the night, and so this is the first chance I'm getting to get on. It's gonna be a mixture of palettes because I want to try and see if I can get this to come out the way I want it to, but we're gonna see. We're gonna start off with these two and maybe some of the Dare to Create. Yes. Little by little every time, so you know. If there's any suggestions that you guys have, go ahead and make them, and I will do my best to try and accommodate and, you know, do any of the looks or ideas or anything. If you have any advice on like the way I should be doing my contour or any of that, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I will try and work on that too. If you like the videos that I've been putting out, please like and subscribe, and I post videos every day, so eventually you're bound to find one that you do like it either way, so might as well. I'm gonna take a little bit of both. Sorry, my stepdad just called me. Have the kids come see you, maybe, but like I just don't have any desire to. Thanks, Obama. I'm just kidding. Going into this color right here in the middle because it's kind of yellow. Now, I'm gonna do my face makeup, and I will come back for the bottom half. I still don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm going to do this, okay? So, don't crush my dreams. Dare me? Dare me. Also take some of this Blue Dream. Should have used the gold from here because I like it better. I wonder if I can put it on top. Gravity OG, just you know. Tune in with me as I show you what not to do. Only a man. And if any of you guys are actual Marvel fans out there, maybe you guys can teach me something about Marvel, because like, I watch Marvel movies and stuff, but I really don't know anything. Shiny. Attractive. I might have to bring out the big guns and hide what I've done to my face. What am I doing with my life? More than a man. If I keep singing that, just that's it. It's too much. I'm gonna okay. I've messed it up far enough. This was like supposed to be a very simple and easy look, and then I lost control. I lost control. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to just like, why don't I add something else to make it harder on me? I don't even know if that's right, but we're just, oh well. Did I put it on too soon? No, I don't even care. I cannot put on false lashes, like not at all. I need some eyebrows, okay? I've been on this video for like an hour now. We're gonna be cutting some stuff out. That's what it's come down to, okay? There's no eyebrow there. And this is my take on Thing from Fantastic Four or Marvel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!